Hi there. Well, this little project is going out right in the middle of all of the season's festivities, and it's a beautiful little bell with a little sprig of holly on top. And what's lovely about this project is we're going to be painting the inanimate, which is a lovely sort of metal, alongside a nice little botanical study. The two things complement each other beautifully, and you end up with a lovely little study of a Christmas bell with some holly. So I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas.